question is 6. Read aloud the description of the beautiful man. Pulkit is the beautiful man. Which is the most beautiful sentence in the description? I'll tell you the description. The description is the most beautiful man in this class. Sorry, there are 3. So I'm going to talk about Pulkit right now. They can never sit quietly. They try to inspire others with their talks, right? Motivational. That is what they do. They inspire you to work on their friendship, whether it is the good way or the bad way. But one should be very truthful, right? In that sense, चाहे बाद में उसका friend को कोई job ना मिले, but cheating is must. And Pulkit, on the other hand, this is your second time in this field. Third time? Second time. This is his second time, and he is continuously moving forward. He is the torch bearer of this cheating section. And I think soon he'll be able to take classes also. Pulkit Arora cheating classes. And one more thing, how to get caught every time. Cheating classes and how to get caught every time. Yes, Pulkit, if the lantern is the man, what would its walls be? Pulkit, give him the chance. Pass. Don't worry. Hurry up. If lantern is the man, what would its walls be? That time when we were discussing the chapter, I told you this part is very important.
मैम कोई और क्वेश्चन पूछो मैम चैप्टर के चैप्टर मैम चीटिंग नहीं की मैम गुरकरण यहाँ पे बैठा उसने टेस्ट दे दिया मैं इधर होकर लिख रहा हूँ टेस्ट इसने मैम बुक खोल ली सर ने आगे टेस्ट कैंसिल कर दिया तो मैम उसकी गलती है बुक क्यों खोल ली आपने
In this case, lantern is Stephen Hawking's, and its walls are his bones, which are thin and can't move.
Okay. Yes, it is about the. Okay, anyone else? Yes, Rishi.
The man is Stephen Hawking, and ma'am, the walls is wheelchair.
Anyone else? Understand the question? If lantern is the man, means the comparison. Okay. So, what would be its wall be? Bani. And Paramjit, come. Hurry up, Bani.
Hawking is the man, and the walls are his paralyzed body.
Okay.
Then the lantern is his soul, which is so colorful and vibrant, and is filled with thoughts.
No. The question is, if the lantern is the man, okay? If I am comparing you with this lantern, then what would its wall be? The walls kya hongi if I'm comparing you?
Its walls would be his disabled body.
The body. Yes. The body would be the walls. Okay. The body would be the wall. Yes. And then what is housed within the thin walls? There they have compared that there was light, right? So, but if we are talking about the body, then the answer is soul. But you are not supposed to write one word answered, only one word or one sentence. explain. Do the comparison. As the soul light is very bright, we can see the brightness and the area that brightness covers like this. So the soul, the vibrance of that soul, everything you have to include in that.
Stephen's pure soul and beauty of his heart were housed within the thin walls.
Okay, and now explain more. Okay. These questions can come for 2 marks again, individually, not collectively. Next is, what general conclusion does the writer draw from this comparison? What was the ultimate conclusion? Why he body is the accessory and soul is what that matters. Is it okay? Got it? Acha, now come to 6th question again. Read aloud the description of the beautiful man, which is the most beautiful sentence is the description. Again, Asa only. Anyone else? We have already discussed the sentences. Where they have. This is the description, beautiful man.
The line is before you like a lantern whose walls are worn so thin you glimpse only the light inside is the incandescence of a man.
Yes. Now, if this question comes for 2 marks, means when you have written the exact lines, then you have to explain also. पूरा लिखना है, पूरा लिख दो. नहीं. Description, you have to give the description of the beautiful man na, before like a lantern whose walls are worn so thin that you glimpse only the light inside it is. बस इससे ज्यादा कहाँ तक है? Shadow so that I know. No. ये बहुत बहुत बड़ा हो जाएगा. Most हाँ, तुम्हें सबसे ज्यादा बेस्ट लाइन कौन सी लगी है? देखो ये लगी है कौन सी वाली? Everything else a necessary that I know believer in. उन्होंने पूछा है. अच्छा, if you liked this line so much, then you can do this. Earlier, state that line, glimpses of this, and explain this accessories and all. ये वाली line बाद में explain कर दो. Give explanation of this line. ठीक है? Explanation is required. Got it? If you want to get full marks. Next is, what is the scientist's message for the disabled? What is the message? Focus on what you are. Oh my God, तभी तो नहीं. That was the reason that I said focus on. Nothing more, nothing much to do. Second minute. Nothing much to do. Matlab, if you are not, it means you are not good at anything else. The 3 lights of our class.
He advised the disabled to concentrate on what they are good at rather than trying new things to make yourself disappoint once you can't achieve that.
Correct. That not to focus on the things that you don't think you are good at, or you can say that don't feel the pressure. Okay, just to prove yourself, don't start doing the things that are out of your, you can say, limits or out of your league. Just to prove that yes, we are not sincere students. Don't do these things. Under pressure, मतलब अगर मैं चुप रह गया तो मेरे friends क्या कहेंगे, तू सुधर गया. Don't do these things. Teachers तारीफें करेंगे. No. And here you can also add that thing, that incident, that Paralympics. Yes, but in exam, this question will come individually, na? हम ये नहीं कह सकते next question था, that is why we haven't explained. So here, when this question will come in exams, that time you need to include Paralympics and all. Okay? He has given the example of that Paralympic games. These are just waste of time and there shouldn't be any such type of concept. Got it? Next is Why does the writer refer to the guitar incident? Which idea does it support? That's all, only Asta. Every time Asta.
Once the writer had tried to learn a guitar but couldn't, so by referring to that incident, he stated that yes, it's true that there is no that we should focus on what we are good at. What idea does it support?
Which idea? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. In some.
Yes. Give it to us.
One time, Stephen tried to play Spanish guitar and when he was unable to do that, he loosened the strings one night happily.
He was trying to learn the guitar. Okay.
One time, Firdaus tried to play Spanish guitar, and when he was unable to do that, he loosened the strings one night happily, learning a lesson that he should only concentrate and put efforts on what he is good at and not wasting his time acting like normal people.
Yes, correct. Anyone else? Hurry up.
Writer broke the string of the guitar happily as he was playing the guitar with the pressure. So here the idea depicts that we should do the things that are in pressure.
Is it okay that he described the incident of guitar where he was trying to learn guitar but he was not able to? So ultimately what he did? Unstring the guitar, but he didn't feel any kind of regret, any kind of guilty. Then he was supporting the idea, or he came to know one should focus on the only thing, one should concentrate on the thing that one is good at. Okay. Now, Gurkaran, I want you to repeat sixth answer. Read aloud the description of the beautiful man, which is the most beautiful sentences in the description. You can go with that accessories also, because they have written which is the most beautiful sentence. Otherwise, उन्होंने कहा read aloud the description. हाँ. Hurry up, Gurkaran. Hurry up. Tanushka, please listen.
Before you like a lantern, whose walls are worn so thin you glimpse only the light inside, is the incandescent of a man. The body, almost irrelevant, exists only like a case made of shadows, so that I know exists like a case made of shadows. Believer in eternal souls know that this is what each of us is, everything else is.
Okay. So now again this question comes for marks, 2 marks, 3 marks, 4 marks. Then you have to explain. Okay. Next is the writer expresses his gratitude to Stephen Hawking. What is the gratitude for? Why he felt thankful? Hawkins, he was not very friendly, but he was friendly but giving very plain and practical answers. But still, at the end, writer felt thankful. Why?
Ma'am, the writer was not able to cry. Ma'am, he showed his gratitude by touching the shoulder of the Stephen. Ma'am, the gratitude was for inspiring the writer.
Inspiring the writer.
That the disabled.
He expresses his gratitude as Stephen spared his 30 minutes from his busy schedule to meet him, and writer was happy as it made the writer's day. He expresses his gratitude as Stephen spared his 30 minutes from his busy schedule to meet him, and The writer was happy at it as it made his day.
Okay. Anyone? Yes, Paramjit, come. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up.
He is grateful for Stephen Hawking for giving his time to talk to him. He felt so connected and could feel what a disabled person feels. So he was grateful to get that feeling from Stephen Hawking.
Okay. Avni?
The writer is thankful because firstly, he's not like Stephen Hawking. He can walk and move his arms and legs. And at last, when he's going to leave, he's not able to show his emotions. So he touches the shoulder of of Stephen Hawking and goes back.
The writer expresses his great gratitude to Stephen Hawking. मतलब वो उसके thankful था, not about his body. Why? Why he felt that everything was good and he should thank Stephen Hawking.
Because Stephen Hawking told that because Stephen Hawking was disabled, but he achieved so many things, and this was a great inspiration for Firdaus Kanga. And he also got a lesson that if the body does not matter, and the thing which matters is the soul.
Yes. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up.
Writer expresses his great gratitude to Stephen Hawking by touching his shoulders and not showing humbleness and pity and sympathy to the writer as being an disabled. He is also a disabled, so he knows if anybody shows sympathy and pity, so he feels very much irritated. So he is thankful.
Okay, okay. Basically, it was that he was inspired. Okay, so he was grateful for being that Stephen Hawking was his inspiration and for inspiring him. That is why he was grateful. Then he was grateful for the time, okay, that he got. And then also one more thing, he was grateful for all the true answers, true and pure answers, nothing fake. Is it okay? There was nothing fake. That person, Hawkins, he gave very to the point and very real answers, okay, without any, you can say, without any kind of judgment or without any kind of fakeness. Okay? So answers were true and practical. So he was thankful, and he was also thankful because he learned that body is just accessory, or he learned that one more thing that he learned, that one should always focus on the things that he learned. He was thankful for that thing, those things, then for the time, okay, and then for the true answers. These are the three things, and now it's up to you how you explain. Got it? Yes, you can. Yes, that he also enjoyed the company. So the way he extended the meeting, then he also covered every inch of that garden. Oh, that is a kind of, you can say again, they have used some figure of speech. Yes, yes, he gained confidence. Yes, yes, he gained confidence. Then is complete the box. I think you can do this. Anyone who has done, please give all the answers. Again, Asta.
There was his assistant on the line, and I told him I had come in a wheelchair from India. Second answer, you get fed up with people asking you to be brave as if you have a courage account on which you are too lazy to draw a check. There he was, tapping at a little switch in his hand, trying to find the words on his computer. Fourth, you look at his eyes, which can speak, and they are saying something urgent. It is hard to tell what. Fifth answer, it doesn't do much good to know that there are people that there are people outside smiling with admiration to see you breathing still. Ma'am.
So the sequence is 3 1 2 5 4 for B. मैं B का sequence बता रही हूँ. It's 3 1 2 5 4 and for A 3 1 5 2 4. 3 1 5 2 4. 3 1 5 2 4. This is for A. अगर तुम A में लिख रहे हो, मतलब the thing is tapping at a little switch in his hand. This, I had come in a wheelchair from India. This and that you have to match like this. ठीक है? You have to make a sentence. Hopefully सही बोल दिया मैंने. Sorry. There was his assistant on the line. And I told him, sorry, I was wrong. There was his assistant on the line. Now you have to complete the sentence. And I told him, I had come in a wheelchair from India. Is it okay? This is the way you have to complete. Second is you get fed up with people asking you to be brave as if you have a courage account on which you are too lazy to draw a check. Is it okay? First, for A column, you have 3 1 5 2 4 and for B 3 1 2 5 4. 3 1 2 5 4. Next, fill in the blanks, appropriate forms of the words. I think you can easily do this. I met a dash from an traveler. Raghav, please answer and then you can sit. I need special dash. Let him. Chalo, guidance. Sit down. Guidance. Dense. D-A-N-C-E. समझ गए. The guide called Stephen Hawking successor. His other problems paled. P-A-L-E-D. The meeting was chaired. C-H-A-I-R-E-D. Chaired. Then is some truly T-R-U-L-Y, not E-L-Y. Last, I wish it had been a draw. यहाँ पे draw ही आएगा, draw match. It had been a draw match. Yesterday I wished this, but India lost. Use all or both in the blanks. He has 2 brothers. Both? Why not all? 2 brothers? Okay, both. More than 10 persons called all. They dash all. They both cheered. Basically, when it is about the team ना, तो हम सभी cheer करते हैं. 2 बच्चे जाके थोड़ा ना cheer करते हैं. Dash her, both her parents. How much have you got? Give all. Adjectives. Huh? Acha, answer. You have started giving the answers. Okay. My friend has one of the fastest cars. Do you know about the degrees? Various degrees. First degree. Simple को एक और word कहते हैं, उसका क्या होता है? Positive. Second is comparative. Third is superlative. In positive degree, there is no comparison. Second, comparative. Between 2 and third is superlative. Between more. So the fastest, which type of degree? Which? This is the dash. Most interesting. Which degree? What you are doing now? easier. Easier than. Easier. This is comparative. Ramesh and his wife are both short, no comparison. He arrived late as usual. Even the chief guest came earlier. Comparative. That's all. Finally, notice writing is given. This is lost and found notice. I think you can do it. Right? Lost and found. But this is not in your syllabus. Chalo chodo. Write a notice for the school notice board. Discuss why notice. Okay, why we put notices on the board? Okay. Basically to spread information, to give information, right? When it is not possible to talk face to face or individually. Then what kinds of notices have you lately seen on the board related to holidays, Olympiads, competitions, your, I think, sitting arrangements also, kind of notice only, na, the classrooms and that. Okay, how is a notice different from a letter or a descriptive paragraph? Okay, in a box. Yes, letter is written for some individual person, and one more thing, basic thing. Yes, it is short to the point, correct? Yes, we don't use pronouns, personal pronouns especially, and simple question answers. Nahin. No. No.
According to us.
When they ask your opinion. According to me, aa jayega. When they ask your opinion, in your opinion, what is your opinion? Tab you have to write. Otherwise, don't write personal pronouns. And then never write your answers in direct speech. Agar direct mein likhoge, matlab quotation marks and all, what he said, then quotation marks and he said this, then wo galat ho jayega.
Question, which question asked?
Huh?
Which question asked at the beginning of the sentence?
That you can give. Okay, bye, take care.